wow, motorbikes are cool. Dangerous, but cool. And I want that. I want to capture on film a motorcycle sequence that features myself. In this video, I'm gonna try that. So if we compare those Hollywood motorbike sequences with something that I could make, I'm gonna start with the things that I don't have that they did. Number one, budget. I plan not to spend a singular coin on this endeavor. I will just use what I have at my disposal. Number two, a crew. This is a one-man band, solo mission. I won't have a car following me, and I won't have people kind of around on the street to watch me go by, I guess. Okay? And three, a powerful motorbike. However, I do have this, my slow electric Super Soco. It's not fast, but I think you'll agree it looks pretty good. The bike is designed for urban commuting. The top speed is 28 miles an hour. But it's a comfortable ride and it is cheap to run. So what do I have at my disposal? These. This is a clamp mount and this is a DJI Osmo Action 4. A mouthful, but I'm going to combine these two and I'm going to clamp it to my Super Soco Moto. Super Soco Moto. Cool, sick. I'm going to do that and then I'm going to get some cool shots. We're going to add it all together. Add some music, cool edit, sick grade. And then we're going to see if, well, you like it. I hope to impress the viewer. That's the test. If people watching can be like, yeah, comment or something and be like, yeah, he did it. That was alright. I have thick skin, I think. People could be like, back to the drawing board, you idiot. You miss all the shots you don't take. Nothing risked, nothing gained. See, these are all sayings to gas myself up. Any others? I'm just gonna do it. Let's get this show on the road, literally on the road. And for that, we ride at dawn. Let's go. Okay, I'm off. I'm going. And it's a tiny bit cold actually. I don't want sunrise, I want dawn. I want that look in the sky. Nearly like it's sunset, but just the streets will be completely empty. First off, I'm gonna actually attach this just so I can film the ground. I might as well start filming now. I think I've still got a good hour until like it really comes up, so I've got some time to prepare. And when I say it, I mean the sun. This is the helmet POV shot, so I'm going to put the helmet on like that and hopefully it will be quite a cool effect. By the way, a quick explainer here. The reason why I'm shooting at dawn, there are a few reasons. Number A, the streets will be empty because it's dawn on a weekday. Number B, the forecast said it's going to be cloudless and I want to take advantage of good weather. And I think in the next few days, that might not be the case. Let's just get it over and done with. Numero C, and here's a technical bit for the camera nerds. This camera, if I put it to 1/50th in terms of the shutter speed, I just want to get a nice bit of motion blur. I don't have any NDs for this, so I'm forced to just film when it's darker. And I'm basically going to just keep it in 1/50th. But then, if it's a bit dark, I can just do a bit of ISO. Anyway, if you don't understand that, that's absolutely fine. But if you do, I think you know exactly what I'm talking about. And you'd probably do the same, or you'd buy an ND. Anyway, on to the number D. Dawn will just look good. Anyway, back to the early morning. This is the first tunnel shot. Okay. Visor down. I really hope that tunnel shot was cool. Anyway, here I go. Go on. horn on this thing is not fucking cool at all. Okay, we're just gonna hold the camera to go around Piccadilly Circus. Here we go. Okay, it's getting brighter now, isn't it? This was a guy I saw earlier, drunk dude who got knocked off his bike. I'm doing the inside the wheel shot. I think that was all right. Good for just a little bit of a shot. Whatever this shot's called. Felt that was, felt she was nearly coming off there. Good shot, I hope. I've obviously got to get the opening shot here. This is so sick. Fucking hell, I'm doing it here. Hell yeah, that was kind of sick, wasn't it? I've actually got a decent amount of the shots I wanted to get, you know? I think now it's just about refinement. A few more angles, etc, etc. It is so empty right now. Oh. Middle of bank. Look at that. So quiet. There's no cars even. It just got really quiet in this specific area. Kind of cool. I'm glad I did this. Here are the buses finally. They're probably thinking, what the fuck is this guy doing? But yeah, I'm on my way back now. I'm now in East London. It's definitely chilly. I'm gonna get one more shot. We have another tunnel coming up soon. This clamp is sick. Just mount it everywhere on the bike. Okay, I've spotted the tunnel. I think it's just fair that I do the reverse. Okay, I'm gonna wait until there's no cars ahead of me, really, and then I can go. Oh, this is gonna be a good shot. Okay, I'm just gonna go very slowly. Oh, I've lucked out with this. Here we go. That was pretty sick. Quite happy with that. Look at this now. It's 5:05. I thought I'd be out and about until like 6 in the morning, but I mean, it doesn't take very long to get around, and I'm not too far from home now anyway, and I'm cold. Well, there she is, looking pretty sexy at sunrise, not gonna lie. The sun is now actually risen, but this was worth it. I really hope the footage, I'm gonna edit it with quite a very heavy color grade. I wanna get it super grungy. So yeah. Rule Britannia, Britannia rules the waves. That's cool. Maybe this is one of the best ways to see a city so early. Cool, we're back. Time to go into the edit, into the grade, let's call it. First of all, we've got the color space transform. There it is. This is actually DGI gamma, D gamma, D log color space transform, but when it was at full capacity, i.e. when this is at 1, this gain is at 1, for a lot of the shots it was too strong, and I wanted to do a grade that I could put over everything and then adjust per shot on a shot per shot basis. So I've chilled it out a little bit. Then I've done a tint, and that tint is making it colder and making it greener. One of the motorbike sequences in the beginning was actually Matrix, and I thought I want to go a bit Matrixy, so I've made it green. I've added green to the highlights as well, so if I turn this on and off, yeah, cool. I don't fucking know. A vignette. And not only have I made it a bit dark around the edges, I also do a radial blur. In this particular shot, it's not very noticeable. Off, on, but in other ones, perhaps more so. Here's some halation. You can see it going in the middle there, and some glow, which I had turned off, by the way, sorry. Let's go to another shot, to this one. It's kind of the same thing, realistically. I just didn't add a tint to the highlights. I'm going to turn on this grain now. The grain really grunges it up, doesn't it? If I go in here, I've added, this is a mid detail all the way. I've added a camera shake. You'll see that at the end. Then grain, I've just gone quite hard with the grain. And then I also added damage, which has given a slight vignetting. But what I do it for is to add dirt, as in little specks, as if this was shot on film. Jazz it up a little bit and make it not so digital. And feedback, let me know if it's shit or not, really. I'm still learning, we learn every day. I like what I do though, I love this stuff. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.